Da na 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 da na na da na na da na na.
Is that what you're gonna do as the intro? Oh my god, we're on! Hello, everybody! Mel, could you please put on the teleprompt? Good morning, ESM. Yeah, we're here, and today's Wednesday, May 4th, and it's either an A or a B day, I don't know. Use your young legs and walk down to attendance and look at the door. Here are your announcements.
Attention all junior high student council officers and 7th and 8th grade junior high government officers. There will be a mandatory meeting on Thursday, May 5th at 2:15 in room 1508 to discuss the upcoming end of the year dance. All officers are expected to attend.
I'm gonna read this announcement exactly as it was sent to us. Due to AP exam reviews, Chess Club is canceled this week. Chess Club will meet next Wednesday in room 2919 after school until 3 p.m.
The newspaper club is holding its next meeting today at 2:15 in room 2920. Please see an advisor if you cannot attend.
The class of 2018 will be selling cups of noodles for $2 in beef or chicken on Thursday, May 5th, right after school in the Rotunda. Come down and get a hot cup of noodles on Thursday.
Attention seniors, prom hat.
Oh. Continue.
Okay. Prom packets are still available in the library or the main office. Tickets go on sale May 16th.
Model UN Club will meet next Wednesday, May 11th in Miss Cuff's room, 1529.
Language Club is canceled this Friday, May 6th, but will resume next Friday, May 13th.
Oh god, this is a long one. All girls interested in playing summer soccer, there is a brief meeting today in room 1326 at 2:15 with Mr. Farrow. This is an opportunity to have fun in the summer playing organized games in the town of Brookhaven. I hope to see you all there.
Service Club will be meeting after school today in room 1639. We hope to see you there. Due to AP tests this week, a lot of our video broadcast staff are missing.
So we thought we would show you what goes on behind the scenes of Schnarfnet News. Nice typo, Mel. So here it is.
Us here at Video Broadcast write our own stories. I wonder what Jennifer Lopez is up to these days.
Please don't. Melanie Snyzik, so what do you do here at Video Broadcasting? Alright.
That was like good. Okay, ready?
I want to get us three photos.
What's going on over here?
I know we have it. We didn't have it. It's fun, Joe.
Cut away, cut away!
Summer Bednar, behind the scenes at Video Broadcasting.
This is weird. Okay.
What do you do here at Video Broadcasting?
This is my Mac. This is the Gmail that we get no emails anymore because we suck. Eddie.
Eddie.
Oh, hey.
Eddie, what is your job here at ESM Video Broadcasting?
I find interesting news and I put it up, and then I do some magic switcheroonies.
Ooh. Now, what machine do you work, Eddie? What's that?
This is the ATEM. It's the switcher for the cameras.
Oh. Carlo the sound man. Ooh. What do you do here, Carlo?
I mix
You mix?
the board.
What's going on outside, Carlo? So Dominic Bonsignor, what do you do here?
Well, I'm just breaking in some paper towels right now. I do a little bit of everything. This is my storage room, as you can see. I have my mugs over there. I have my jacket right there.
Nice, Dom, nice.
And yeah, I just do a little bit of everything. Sometimes Carlo doesn't
Oh,
even
hold
know
on,
he's there.
Dom, hold on. We have people over here. I think it's Tina and Steven. Let's go into the video broad room.
Probably wasn't even facing the camera.
I don't like the camera getting away.
What's going on, Mr. Solomon?
Oh, well, we're getting our stuff together.
Where's my coffee? Mr. Solomon, where's my coffee?
Coming here.
Tina, Steven.
Yeah.
Behind the scenes of video broadcasting. What do you guys do here?
Well, we
Well,
run through
We just read off the teleprompts and
try to read correctly. And sometimes we do weird things, like get up and leave and bring chips back.
yep. Sometimes we mess up,
But it's funny.
it's funny.
And fun fact, there's nothing in these. Surprise! Not like anyone fit. You got us.
We're rolling.
Can someone read this and tell me if it's too biased?
It is.
Yeah, sure, read it out loud.
Oh.
Random moments.
I kind of feel
Where is Carlo?
If it
He's right
doesn't
there.
go on,
Galaxy very far away. There's a pretty decent channel called Riesel News. Hope you enjoy it.
Good, right? Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah,
Said your mom made it?
I think. I don't know, it was pretty good, but I don't think she would have made that.
Yeah, they said. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna get straight into weather. And Phil just farted. Okay.
Have a good day, ESM. Have a good day.